Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can get signed out in your Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Google Pay app. So once you open your Google Pay app, you must get logged in into your account to get signed out. So once you're in this kind of interface, all you need to do is simply search for the profile icon, which is on the right hand side of your screen, and tap it on. So once you tap it on, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. So you tap on the settings option, you can find out the sign out option right over there. So simply scroll down and tap on the sign out option, which will then give you this prompt on screen. So simply hit the sign out option again, and once you do so, you will get signed out or logged out from your Google Pay account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.